Hello, today we are going to uninstall Otuvy Frontline and Otuvy QM through the Settings app, rather than pressing and holding on the home screen of your iPhone or iPad in order to uninstall it. When fixing certain persistent app errors, it's better to uninstall through the Settings app on either an iPhone or iPad, rather than deleting the app from the home screen. Removing the app through the Settings, General, an iPhone and iPad storage ensures that all the associated data is completely cleared out. This matters because some issues continue even after a normal uninstall and reinstall when leftover data remains on the device. By deleting the app from the storage menu, you can guarantee a full reset of the app's files, which can resolve those errors that a standard home screen uninstall won't fix. So let's go through the process. You can see I have Otuvy Frontline logged in right now, as well as Otuvy QM. I'm going to first go into Settings, and then to General, then to iPhone Storage. Now I can sort these by size, name, or last used date. Since I just had them open, they should be at the top of the last used date. I'm going to tap on Otuvy QM, and before I hit Delete App, I'm going to hit Offload App. This will free up the storage that's used by the app, and then tap Offload App again. And then I'm going to tap Delete App. Next, I can do the same with Otuvy Frontline. Offloading first, and then deleting. Now that I have those two uninstalled, I can go back into the App Store and reinstall them. Once those finish installing, I can open the app and sign back in.